Hey there, fellow Bumble users. If you're watching this in 2025 and need to update your name on the app, maybe it's a new nickname, a legal change, or just a simple fix, you're in the right place. Changing your name is straightforward, but I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a thing. This process assumes you're using the latest version of Bumble, which might have some tweaks from previous years, so let's dive in. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app recently, go ahead and do that now to avoid any glitches. Bumble is always rolling out improvements. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, look for the Edit Profile button or Settings gear icon. It's often at the top of your profile. Tap that to enter the editing mode. In the Edit section, scroll down until you find the About Me or Basic Info area, where your name is listed. Tap on your current name to edit it. Type in your new name carefully. Double check for spelling errors since this is what others will see. After entering your new name, you might be prompted to verify the change. This could involve confirming via email or linking it to your Facebook account, depending on Bumble's policies in 2025. Once that's done, hit the Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. And just like that, your name should be updated. Give it a minute to refresh, then check your profile to make sure everything looks good. If you run into any issues, like the change not sticking, try logging out and back in, or contact Bumble support through the app. Remember, while changing your name is easy, it's always a good idea to keep your profile authentic to build genuine connections. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Bumble questions. See you next time.